LED light, cool. The moment I received that LED wristband, I knew it was about to be an epic concert. It's a video. Oh, Lord. We're sitting in the parking lot in front of NRG. Haven't gone in yet. Yeah, it's time to see Beyonce. Pre-game. My absolute only regret is that we did not spend more time outside of the venue in the outside festivities. There was quite a bit going on. You had opportunities to take photos. I'm not sure of everything that was going on, but we missed out. It's okay though, because we wanted to make sure that we got seated and got settled in before the show began. At this point, it was after 7 p.m. and the show was set to begin at 8. Of course, it did not begin that early because with Houston traffic and the number of people coming in for the concert, there was absolutely no way that everyone would be seated that quickly. So again, this gave time for everyone to get food, beverage, purchase merch, and just enjoy the vibe, because it was definitely high energy in NRG for this concert. And dare I say experience, because it definitely was all of that. So Trill Burger was open. Again, we were club level, so we had a full out bar. We were able to purchase the disco ball drinks, which were really cute and a fun memento for everyone to be able to take home to remember the experience that we had. It's a video. I always do that. Y'all know this is a false start, right? This is a false start. It's not starting yet.
Hello, Houston, Texas. I want to say thank you for already giving me so much love. Oh, tonight, H-Town is going down. I want to thank every single person who is here in the stadium tonight. Thank you for your love and loyalty. This is my gratitude tour. I am so grateful to be on the stage back home in Houston, Texas. I can travel to any country around the world, but you ain't ever gonna take the country out of this girl. I represent y'all everywhere I go, and I'm gonna make you proud. Y'all help me sing, applause and all. Dead ass. I'm dead ass. Turn the lights on.
Idea why I said on mute so aggressively, but anyways, Houston night one, we did not win the mute challenge. However, I did go to Kansas City the following week, and Kansas City is said to be the winning city.
Look around this room. Queen, I come true. Move out the way. I'm with my girls and we all need space. When the queen comes through, fight like the red say. Move out the way. How many times I'ma say it? Y'all help me sing here. Here we go. Got a lot of pain, got a lot of IT on me. I gotta rid myself out. I gotta rid myself out. I gotta cool down. I gotta cool it down. Yeah. Boy, you can't get no higher than this. No, your love don't get no higher than this.
It was an amazing show.
I just witnessed someone take the hardest fall ever.
Just finished the amazing Renaissance World Tour show. It was so good.
Yes,
Oh my
always
gosh, it was amazing.
Always a pleasure, B. Always a pleasure.
Always.
Nice to meet you.